Hi everyone, it's Nalanie and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I wanted to film something bright and colorful for you guys. You guys have said in previous videos that you want me to do more colorful looks, so here we are with some colorful looks. In today's video, I am using this palette right here. This is from Juvia's Place. This is the Zulu palette. In case you don't know what it looks like, this is the inside. It is absolutely beautiful. The shadows are super bright, super colorful, and super pigmented. I've really been loving this palette since I got my hands on it, and I don't think I've actually ever filmed a look using it for you guys. So if you want to see me use other shadows in here, I can definitely film more looks for you guys. I think I might. But if you want to see how I got this look right here, please keep on watching. For today's look, I wanted to use this palette right here. This is the Zulu by Juvia's Place. And I'm going to go in with this orange right here and really work this on my upper crease area. And I'm not taking a lot of this. I just want to diffuse this tone. And I'm going to pretty much just use it as a transition shade. So I'm just adding a little bit more orange to really brighten up that crease area. And once I've deposited as much color as I want, I'm going to take the remaining that's left over on my brush and work it into my brow bone area. I don't want it to be super orange, so I'm just lightly feathering it in or feathering it up. So now I'm going to take this pink right here and I'm also going to work this a little lower. And I'm starting off with the outer portion of my eye to deposit the most color. I'm just going to take something sharp and create more of a V with that pink. Now I'm just going to take a clean fluffy brush and just diffuse that a little bit. Now going in with that same brush that I applied and deposited the pink, I'm not adding any additional product. I'm just going to ever so slightly blend this into the orange, just kind of bringing it all the way in. I'm going to do a half cut crease with my NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer. So I cleaned the same brush off and I'm going to go in with this yellow shade right here and really pack this on to the lid area. Going back in with this pink right here, I'm just going to blend together that yellow with the pink, just so it's not a harsh line. Do you hear it raining? So most of my face is pretty much complete. I'm going back in with the Zulu palette, and I am going to take this orange shade right here and really work this on my lower lash line. I love blowing out the lower lash line area. And I'm bringing that orange all the way in. So I'm going to take a little bit of this yellow right here and bring this right on the inner portion of the lower lash line. Now taking this eyeliner from LA Girl, this is the Shockwave Neon Eyeliner, and this is in the shade Screaming. I'm going to pop this into the waterline. So popping this Trophy Wife highlighter from Fenty, I'm going to really pack this into my inner tear duct. And just taking a very small amount and running it into my brow bone. I'm going to blend that. So going back in with Trophy Wife, I'm going to pop this onto my cheekbone area. Also going in with Hustle Baby, also from Fenty Beauty, I'm going to apply this on top of the Trophy Wife. I really like mixing together these two. I'm also going to apply Hustle Baby onto my nose. Going in with this Cover FX palette, this is the Perfector Face Palette in light medium. I'm just going to use this blush right here and apply this onto the apples of my cheek. And I'm going to bring this kind of in, but not all the way back. Now I'm just going back in with my fluffy brush. I'm just going to blend everything together. So I had to do some minor touch-ups because the eyeliner I was using was bleeding and it was ruining my entire makeup look. So as you saw, I went back in with some concealer, and then I had to add a little bit more of that yellow eyeshadow onto the inner portion of my lid. I decided to try the NYX Epic liner, ink liner, and I did an entire review on this talking about how much I wasn't a fan of it because the eyeliner is just really messy and it just bleeds and I can't get any really good crisp clean lines, and that hasn't changed. It was a complete mess and a disaster, so this definitely needs to go in the garbage. I meant to throw this away and I don't know why I held on to it, but it's definitely going in the garbage now. But I did clean it up and added this eyeliner instead. This is also from NYX. It's the matte liquid liner. This is hands down one of my favorite drugstore liquid eyeliners. It's black, matte, it's clean, nothing bleeds, and everything just pretty much stays put. And continue on with the rest of my face, I did go in with Morphe's Sugar Pie lip liner and Colourpop and MakeShayla's lipstick in the shade Quickie. So this is the completed look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. As you saw, I was having some issues with the eyeliner, but I cleaned it up, I fixed it. It was a little bit of a struggle, but we're good to go. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.